Hi, my name's Emma, and welcome to Health Things TikTok Tuesday. Each week, we look at an online trend and ask the experts if it's worth the hype. This week, we're looking at an oldie but a goodie. TikTokers are putting hydrogen peroxide directly on their teeth, claiming that it gives them a bright white smile.
Dip your cotton swab in and just wipe it all over your teeth.
Stuff on it and then brush your teeth.
So I'm not going to try this one. I have really soft enamel, and my dentist has already told me to stay away from any and all whitening products. One time I tried an over-the-counter whitening product, and my teeth were so sensitive after that even when I went to breathe, I could feel the air rushing across my teeth. Not fun. Instead, I spoke to Anita Daty, a registered dental hygienist in Ontario and owner of Dental X, a clinic in Toronto.
You have to be very careful of what you use, how long you use it, and make sure that you talk to a dental professional for anything, so they can give you the proper treatment. Because also, if let's say you have crowns or bridges, or if you have veneers, or if you have any fillings in the on the teeth, that's not going to change. So you can use that hydrogen peroxide at home, and let's say you are going to whiten a few of your teeth, and the other teeth will look the same, and it's not going to look very nice. So when the people come here, we do a proper checkup. We make sure that we do the medical history. We check all the medical history to make sure that it's not dangerous. We check the dental health and make sure that the teeth whitening is proper for you. And then we give you the proper treatment suggestions, and then you decide what you want to do.
And a few key things you said there. First of all, it makes perfect sense that your teeth aren't going to whiten uniformly because if there's so much going on, right?
Exactly. and some people, it's so funny because some people have periodontal disease. And let's say if your gums are all swollen, all red, and they are bleeding, and you are asking for teeth whitening, I think there is a lot more that you have to do before the teeth whitening is done.
What sorts of things should people be doing at home to keep their teeth nice and safe and healthy if they can't make it out to a dentist, especially now during the pandemic?
Exactly. So nowadays, I would say definitely you brush at least twice a day, floss once a day. And which I really like is I call it as a grandma recipe, a little bit of warm salt water. It can make miracles. Believe it or not, it's something so cheap and so easy to do. And you can just rinse a little bit at nighttime, and it's just gonna make you such a healthy smile. I'm not a big fan of mouth rinses, nothing against any brands or anything, but I usually say if you brush, if you floss, and please make sure you brush your tongue as well. And then you should be good to go without having these fancy mouth rinses that most of the time cause more harm than they help. We are really seeing is grinding with this stress, as you said, with the pandemic. The grinding is, I think, 95% of the of the dental emergencies we are seeing. And I say just try to use a little bit some stress relief kind of options like exercise. I know it's a little bit harder now because the gyms are closed and it's cold outside, but try to do a little bit of walking, a little bit of exercise even at home, and then just to release that stress, and then take it every day at a time. I say please take stay healthy, stay safe, and this period of time will go, and just take it easy a little bit, just to make sure that we don't get any major problems, because it's getting very difficult financially, also for a lot of people. So if we do a little bit of our part at home, then you'll have less problems in the future.
If you're interested in learning more, check us out at healthing.ca and reach out to tell us how you keep your pearly whites healthy.